The first feature you'll want to check out inside your account is the Heatmaps section. And once you click into it, you'll see all of your URLs quickly become searchable in the side navigation bar. Let's pause here for a moment, because what I'm about to show you will not only blow your mind, but it's also like a lot of information. So feel free to pause this video and follow along with your own instance of Heatmap, because we are about to go deep into the weeds. Okay, so you're probably familiar with heat mapping images that look like this. But now you can click into your heat map and see all of the revenue metrics on every specific element, such as clicks, purchases, revenue, AOV, and more. We'll dive more into that in just a minute. And what's even cooler is heat maps based on session data like traffic source or device, e-commerce data like purchasers versus non-purchasers, or custom filters. So for example, you could look at heat maps based only on purchasers, which would be really valuable for figuring out the absolute best optimizations to make. Another neat feature we want to call attention to here is a heat map compare mode. It lets you apply filters against each other and get a side-by-side toggle for each heat map. This makes it easy to both visualize and analyze two unique segments. Next, you'll want to dig deeper using the data table. This view helps you quickly assess your highest and lowest performing elements. You can filter based on clicks, purchases, revenue, and all the same stuff as you can on heat maps. And lastly, you can rename elements if need be. Or you can take care of element identification and unique naming to make analysis infinitely easier, because nobody wants to spend time naming that many elements on that many pages, which is why our tool uses a machine learning model to identify what is what on your website. Heatmap knows your hero image is a hero image. It knows your product tiles are product tiles. It knows an email opt-in is an email opt-in. While most marketers in e-commerce can do this by simply looking at a website, which of these do you want your data associated with? We both know the answer. Moving on to custom filters. These are here in case you want to create a way to analyze specific user behavior from specific sources. Let's say you wanted to look at data on the users who came to your website from Facebook who made a purchase above a certain order value. You would just come over here and set the conditions you want to filter on, which is basically any metric that Google Analytics used to offer. The insights are virtually unlimited. Everything we covered so far on heat maps also applies to scroll maps as well. So over here, you can just toggle to a scroll map of this page. And again, you're able to see not just where folks dropped off, but also the revenue attached to these. This is really valuable to uncover where money is getting left on the table and whether a section should be moved up or down.